And trying to use a broomstick for this project, this egg lollipop, will absolutely not work. It'll be too top heavy and it won't stand up on its own. I got the jumbo egg from Five Below. They're clear, same price as the ones at Walmart. I decorated the egg in the theme that I'm going to be using, which is Spider-Man. I used permanent vinyl and glossy photo sticker paper to decorate the egg. I also got this wooden plaque from Dollar Tree. They're $3. I got the oval one for my base, and then I spray painted it to match the color of the theme, which is blue because we're doing Spider-Man. Well, I'm doing Spider-Man. Take a rod holder, a 1-inch rod holder, center it on your plaque and screw it down. These came with the screws. I got these rod holders from Amazon. You would need a small, thick piece of wood. I got these rounds from Amazon as well. Put the bottom of your egg on top of it and then put your rod holder in the center. Place dots inside the holes of the rod holder. Drill small holes through the egg and a little bit through the wood, but not all the way. All the way through the egg and just a little bit through the wood. And then you put your rod holder back at the bottom of the egg, screw the screws halfway in, center it with the holes on your wooden round, and then tighten the screws all the way down. I hope that makes sense. Slow the video down if you can, if you didn't get it. I used my drill to make sure that the screws were tight. And once you got that on there nice and tight, just fill your egg up with all your goodies. I did 6 bags of candy and 6 Spider-Man activity sets, all from the Dollar Tree. Place your egg back together. Use clear tape to hold it. And then you want to grab your PVC pipe. This is a 1-inch by 2-foot PVC pipe from Home Depot. Stick it inside your base, and then you want to stick your egg on top of the PVC pipe like so. This is what it should look like. And then you add your ribbon. You can use hot glue. I use double-sided gel tape from the Dollar Tree. I love that stuff because it's durable. Same thing, I put my Spider-Man plushie at the bottom and this little Easter Spider-Man egg at the bottom with the double-sided tape as well. This is a clear shrink wrap bag that I zip tied. And then you want to make sure all the air is out the bag before you shrink the bag using your shrink wrap tool. Listen, don't ask me how to shrink wrap. I just wing it. Yeah, I know it. I just wing it. And then I put my pretty little Spider-Man bow that I made myself on it. And this is the final look. This is my version of the Easter ring pop. And making these ain't as easy as it look, but I got the egg from Hobby Lobby. They're 40% off, and the foam ring. I cut a piece from one side, and then I cut across the top, and then I hot glued ribbon going around the entire thing. For the plate, I used the clear party plates from the Dollar Tree. I placed the bottom half of the egg onto the plate. Inside the egg was 2 holes that I marked on the plate and used my hot glue tool to melt holes where I marked at. I also hot glued the ring to the plate and used 2 zip ties. I zip tied the ring to the plate and then I zip tied the egg to the plate and to the ring. So 2 small zip ties from the Dollar Tree. I then packed the egg with goodies also from the Dollar Tree. I made a bow out of my leftover ribbon and then I added some pink garland around the plate, also from the Dollar Tree.